Hello my beautiful crochet friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these beautiful slippers using leather. So if you are interested, please stick around with me to the end, as every step in this video matters a lot. And you might consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell, because on this channel I teach simple crochet DIYs and recycling tutorials. So without further ado, let's get started. So after masking the shoelace like this with tape, you are going to look for the center line of the shoelace. That's the center of the shoelace. You can see this place should be the center. You are going to draw a straight line up to the toe. So after drawing the center line like this, we are going to measure 2 inches. You can see 2 inches. So put a mark. So we are going to measure 4 inches again from here to this side, and we'll put a mark. So we are just going to draw our pattern from this side. This is what I'm trying to draw out so that we can be able to cut our leather. So if you like, you can reduce it a bit, like maybe 2 centimeters, and draw it. So after drawing this picture line, you can still curve it a bit. Remember, we are just working on one side, so whatever we have here is what is going to be replicated on this side. So you can still curve it. So you can curve it from the picture line this way, maybe 0.7 inch. So you don't need this line again. So you just draw a line. But I don't want it to be a straight line, so I'm going to curve it a bit. So we have up to 3 inches from this side to this place. So want 1 inch to be here, this side to be 1 inch, and this one to be 1 inch. So we are going to mark 1 inch here. One inches by this side, 1 inches by this side. But when you measure the whole of it, you are going to see 3 inches. You can see it here, 3 inches. So you just measure 1 inches and put a mark. Put a mark in the middle. Measure 1 inches from this side again and put a mark. So you are going to keep marking the 1 inches up to this place. You just connect it down and repeat the same thing here. So you are going to draw a straight line on a plain paper like this. We are going to remove the masking tape carefully so that it doesn't get rumpled. So you place this center line on this place that you have drawn. So the next thing, you fold the paper into 2 equal parts from the line that you have drawn. Then use your scissors and cut. So when you open it this way, you will see that we have already gotten our pattern. So now that we've gotten our pattern out, we'll carry the leather that we use in making this leg of the shoe. Just place your pattern on the leather and transfer it out. So you use your scissors and cut it out. We are going to mark 1/2 inch around the whole leather, just like this one, and punch. So I have just marked and pricked the leather round, and I put black leather here at the back to serve as my lining. So I'm going to be knitting 3 single crochet in each of these prick holes. So you yarn over and pull through again to attach the yarn. Insert, yarn over and pull through to 1, insert, yarn over and pull through to 2, insert, yarn over and pull through 2. So we have 3 single crochet in there. So at the corners we are going to be making 4 single crochet. So this is 2, we have 3 and 4. In the remaining spaces we are going to be making 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. So at the end of the 3 single crochet, we are going to slip stitch to this side. So make chain 1. I'm going to make 1 single crochet round again in all the loops. At the end of the second row of single crochet, slip stitch to this side and cut off the thread. So now that we are done, the next thing we are going to do is to join the insole, this one, and the outsole together. And for the insole, I have a tutorial on how to measure, cut and crochet your insole just like this. And for the outsole, all I did was to measure 1/2 inch round and prick it using my hand puncher. After pricking it round with my hand puncher, I make 3 single crochet in each of the prick holes round. After the first round, I make another row of single crochet round. So the next thing we are going to do is to carry the insole and the outsole and attach the two together. We'll attach it together just like this using one single crochet. So we'll do one single crochet around the whole sew. So we're going to tie a knot and attach the thread. So you are going to repeat the same thing round until you come back to where we started from. So I've just finished joining the insole and the outsole together using one single crochet, and this is the one we have done before, which is the top of the shoe. And by this side I added 2 rows of single crochet. You can see that I extended it a bit, just like it is here, just like the way it is here. So I extended it a bit. So the next thing I did is to put the slippers together like this and mark. I've just marked this place where to last it. So here at exactly where we put the mark, you can see the mark here. This is how we are going to attach it. And here is the mark, so we'll attach it to this place. So we're going to place it like this and then use our needle and thread and sew it through. So friends, after sewing it with needle and thread, this is how it turns out. So beautiful. So please, if you love this tutorial, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment for me down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.